Do you understand English but still struggle to sound natural when speaking? You're not alone. Many learners know the grammar and vocabulary but can't speak fluently because they're missing rhythm, flow, and sound awareness. This lesson will teach you exactly how to sound like a native speaker using shadowing plus slow listening techniques. Each of the 10 tips is practical and easy to follow. Together, they'll train your ears, mouth, and brain to work as one. If you want more lessons like this, hit subscribe now and turn on notifications. As we go through the tips, comment below. Which one changed your English the most? Let's get started. Tip 1. Shadow in chunks, not words. Most learners speak English word by word, but native speakers use chunks, phrases that flow as a single unit. Saying, "How are you today?" sounds robotic. Instead, say, "How are you today?" as one connected idea. Shadowing in chunks helps you hear and repeat natural English rhythm. Try phrases like, "I don't know." "Let's do it." "What do you mean?" Start slow, then increase your speed. Emphasize stress and rhythm. Don't memorize just the words, memorize the sound and feeling of the phrase. Do this daily with common chunks. You'll build fluency, confidence, and sound far more natural. What's your favorite chunk to shadow? Comment below and let's share ideas. Tip 2. Listen first, then copy. Shadowing is not just repeating, it starts with listening deeply. Don't jump into speaking too fast. Play the sentence 2 to 3 times before you repeat it. Notice where the voice rises or falls, which words are stressed, how fast or slow it's said. For example, "I didn't mean to do that" sounds like "I didn't mean to do that." Native speech is full of reductions and linking. Practice this. 1. Listen with full attention. 2. Pause the audio. 3. Copy what you heard. Exactly. This method trains your brain to understand real English and your mouth to speak it. Do you usually rush or listen first? Share your experience. Tip 3. Use emotion, not just words. Emotion is what makes English come alive. Native speakers don't speak flatly, they use feeling. If you say, "That's amazing," with no feeling, it doesn't sound amazing at all. Try saying, "Wow, that's incredible." "Are you kidding me?" Say them with emotion. Surprise, joy, frustration. Play with your voice, go high, go low, speak faster or slower. Shadowing emotional phrases trains your intonation and tone. It also builds your confidence. Record yourself sounding excited, angry, or tired. Compare it to native speakers. What emotion do you want to practice more? Happiness, surprise, sarcasm? Tell us below. Tip 4. Mirror the mouth movements. Speaking English clearly means moving your mouth correctly. Watch native speakers carefully. How do they shape their lips? Where is their tongue? For example, think, tongue touches the top teeth. World, rounded lips, plus back of tongue lifts. Stand in front of a mirror. Say, "I thought it would work." Check your tongue on thought. Does it touch your teeth? Mirror practice builds muscle memory. Your brain may know the sound, but your mouth has to learn how to make it. Watch slow YouTube clips or interviews. Pause and copy both sound plus mouth shape. What English word feels hardest for your mouth? Let us know. Tip 5. Practice with linked speech. If you speak too clearly word by word, you may sound unnatural. Native English is fast because words link together. Examples: going to, gonna. Want to, wanna. Let me, lemme. Instead of "What are you doing?" natives say, What you doing? Shadowing these linked expressions trains your ears to hear real speech and your mouth to produce it. Practice slowly. I'm gonna grab some food. Then faster. I'm gonna grab some food. Use scripts from movies or YouTube and underline linked areas. Repeat until they feel natural. What's your favorite linked phrase to practice? Share it below. Tip 6. Speak with intonation. Up and down. Intonation is the melody of English. It's how your voice moves, rising and falling to show meaning. Try this sentence in 3 ways. You did that? Surprised? You did that. You did that. Same words, different tone. Shadowing helps you match the emotional rise and fall of native speech. Practice with questions, exclamations, or sarcastic sentences. Overdo the intonation at first, then slowly balance it. Tip: read dialogue from scripts or short stories aloud. Match the feeling in your voice. What emotion is hardest for you to express in English? Surprise? Anger? Comment below. Tip 7. Use the pause and shadow technique. This method is simple and powerful. It slows shadowing down so you can focus on precision. Steps: 1. Play one short sentence. 2. Pause the video or audio. 3. Say the sentence exactly. 4. Repeat 2 or 3 times. Try with "let's take a break." Pause. Repeat. Focus on stress, linking, and emotion. Then press play and do the next line. This builds accuracy and muscle memory faster than continuous shadowing. Use this technique for podcasts, Netflix shows, or YouTube interviews. Have you tried this? If yes, what's your favorite show to shadow with? Share it below. Tip 8. Record yourself and compare. One of the best tools is your own voice. Use your phone to record yourself shadowing a sentence, then play the native version and compare. Ask yourself, did I stress the same words? Does my voice rise and fall the same way? Do I sound confident or hesitant? Try this. Record, I didn't see that coming. Now compare it to an actor or YouTuber. What's different? You'll hear your mistakes and learn fast. Don't be shy. Every learner starts this way. Record 3 sentences a day. You'll be amazed after a week. What sentence will you record today? Type it below to challenge others too. Tip 9. Repeat with rhythm. Like music, English is rhythmic, like music. Native speakers stress some words and let others drop. Say, I need to go to work today. Stress falls on need, go, work. Try clapping while you say it. Now do this. I'm gonna grab some lunch. Stress, gonna grab lunch. Use music beats or metronomes to train your rhythm. Read poems, song lyrics, or children's books out loud. Rhythm gives your English flow and power. What English sentence feels musical to you? Share and let's all try shadowing it. Tip 10. Shadow every day for 10 minutes. This tip is your secret weapon: consistency. You don't need 1 hour a day. Just 10 minutes of focused shadowing works wonders. Choose 3 to 5 sentences. Listen, pause, repeat. Use emotion, rhythm, and mimic mouth movements. Example: let me think about it. Sounds good to me. I'll be right there. Do this every day. Make it part of your morning or bedtime routine. The more often you repeat a sentence, the more natural it becomes. When is your daily English time? Morning, night, or lunch break? Let's help each other stay consistent. Wrap up and call to action. Now you've learned 10 powerful tips to shadow like a native, improve pronunciation, and build fluency through slow listening and daily practice. Which tip will you start with today? Comment your favorite and let others learn from your journey too. And if you're ready to take your English to the next level, subscribe to Slow English Lab and turn on the bell. We post lessons every week to help you listen, speak, and shadow English with confidence. See you in the next class.